This error seems to be occurring with the CryptoPrevent bulk installations on certain builds of Windows 10, 2004, and 20H2. Fresh installations don't seem to include the visual C++ runtime files necessary for CryptoPrevent to perform its installation. This isn't unique to newer builds of Windows, but the error is unique because normally the installer will download the necessary files, and in this case it's not happening, so we need to fix that ourselves. First off, I need you to know that you press quit on this prompt, because if you press continue, you're going to have to find CryptoPrevent and Task Manager and end task on it in order for the setup to complete. So go ahead and press quit and then finish. The next thing you're going to do, if you've already downloaded the VC Redistributable and the batch file that I have to fix the problem, the next thing you'll do is just run this batch file as administrator. If you haven't downloaded the batch file, just go ahead and run the VC Redist. Accept the terms. If you use the batch file, I've automated the installation so you don't have to click through the prompts. Next, we need to go to the CryptoPrevent installation directory. Again, you don't need to do this if you're running the batch file. We have to do it in an elevated command prompt, so you have to run as administrator. Next thing you want to do is run CryptoPrevent /bulk installer /silent. Okay, that command is going to return instantly, but what's going to happen is CryptoPrevent is going to run its installation process, which you'll notice in Task Manager. We'll have to go to Details, and you'll see CryptoPrevent running with the low CPU utilization, but some memory usage. And this is going to go on for several minutes, as this would normally run in the background while CryptoPrevent is installing through the prompts that you would see on screen. And at some point it will disappear, and you will see the CryptoPrevent monservice.exe file appear in Task Manager, and the CryptoPrevent.exe disappear. Now CryptoPrevent is completely installed and protections are applied. We can confirm this by starting CryptoPrevent, which would normally give you the same error you received during installation. As you can see, it took a little bit for CryptoPrevent to get started, but it's going to verify the settings and it should show you that everything is in working order. And there we have it. And you wouldn't get this far on an installation, on a botched installation with that error. You would actually get that error again trying to launch CryptoPrevent. So now that we see CryptoPrevent, you know everything is fixed on the system. I hope that's been of some help to you. Thanks for watching.